This is supposedly a photo taken through a window, from a bedroom window one night. Someone was tapping on the window and they got this shot. They named it Andy, the alien. I mentioned a lady, when I was here last time, I mentioned there was a lady I knew who used to think ghosts were coming through the walls and were drifting around. And she found out later that they were aliens, and I showed her this photo. She said that's the closest that she has seen to what the things that have been visiting her. And she's no longer with us either. So Stanton Friedman was right when he said he was researching the Roswell case in America, that UFO research was a race against the undertaker because your witnesses keep dying. You know,
Yeah.
But that's a pretty interesting photo. It hasn't been debunked, this one, but that's apparently what our little visitors look like. But this lady Diane was sure they were ghosts because they came through the walls, and they took her out through the walls too. They didn't need doors.
We were sort of